My birthday is coming up and I'll be finally entering my 20s. Woohoo!
Wait, I should be sad, right? Because I'm getting old. Entering a new decade made me realize how blessed I've been throughout my life. And during our retreat in Ateneo, while taking a moment to reflect, isang tanong ang lagi kong binabalik-balikan. How do you want to celebrate my birthday?
Well, I could celebrate the way I usually do, spending time with my family and friends at home. But I want to make my 20th birthday special.
Kasi to be honest, I wanna thank God for all the things, all the blessings na nangyari sa buhay ko. I became a content creator, worked with a lot of brands, a host, a model in Naga City, met a lot of amazing people, and more. Baka butin pa tayo dito ng isang taon kapag inisisa ko pa. So the thing is, I wouldn't be who I am today without him. So I wanna share the blessings he has given me with others.
But there was one problem. At that time, wala talaga akong pera. Or yung pera ko na meron ako is pangbayad ko lang siya ng tuition ko. So honestly, hindi ko talaga alam kung paano ko siya gagawin. Then, something unexpected happened.
I received a message asking if I was available to create a video for a brand.
And that's when I knew that this birthday celebration was meant to happen.
So together with my team, bumili na kami ng mga school supplies since classes are about to start and prepared food to share with the people in our community.
Hi guys, I'm Jibril Bugtong from Naga City and today I'll be celebrating my birthday by sharing my blessings. Woo! Birthday to you!
3, 2, 1. Woo! Let's go! It's our birthday today! We're officially 20 years old. We're getting old. I'm excited sa gagawin natin later. Mamimigay tayo ng school supplies and then magpapakain rin tayo syempre. I just want to, thank God for all the blessings na binigay niya sa akin. I'm really blessed. This is also my way of giving back rin sa kanya. Good morning! So, right now, we're going to get yung foods muna sa supplier.
Hi tita! Agad na! Andun na! Thank you so much, titas! Ito na yung mga foods na in-order natin kay tita. Lahat ng mga chicken fillet. Ito tayo, taga-bit-bit ng mga pagkain dito. Ang bigat pala nito ah. Wag lang tayo madapa.
You're gonna put it here.
Okay na. Next natin na kukunin is yung mga school supplies. Hello, Max! What up? Saan ka? Dito na kami, sa may harap ng barangay hall. Say hi to the camera! Wow!
Tapos ito, 135 pieces.
Thank you so much! Thank you so much to this guy. Ito yung nagpalasikaso ng mga kagamitan natin na kailangan. Especially this one. Ay, ang ganda nga ng tote bag, oh.
Oo.
Yeah. Approve. Thank you so much, Malco.
Bye-bye.
Hindi ka sasama?
Hindi.
Magtatampo na ako. Look at this. So this is our customized tote bag. Meron tayo ditong pad paper, notebook, coloring pen, ball pen. Alam niyo kung bakit merong ball pen dito? Kasi nung senior high school ako, wala talaga akong ball pen. Hindi ko kayang makabili. Talagang tinatamad lang ako bumili. Kung pag ako nagka-ball pen doon, asahan niyo na may nawawalang ball pen sa amin. Tapos here is our sticker. Look at this. May sticker na tayo.
Ito na.
Wow!
Isa.
Yun ang gusto ko. Thank you so much talaga, Malco.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Kaya mo yan.
Bibigay na yung kamay ko. Eto na yung mga school supplies na ibibigay natin. Hindi na magkasya yung mga gamit dito sa car. Hirap pala pag maliit yung kotse, no? Hingi ka? 300 pesos.
Pabalik ko na lang yung akin. Ang dinaan.
Dito na yung mga friends natin. Don, thank you so much!
Birthday to you!
Wow! Ando na sila Kuya Rio, yung isa naming kaibigan. Naka-prepare na lahat and such. Ngayon, papunta na kami doon sa Copradia.
Here's our first stop, Copradia.
Should have been here on the outside, read the signs. Used to call you mine, gave it my best, but I don't need one more try.
But the thing is, bumisita na kami dito last time and very welcoming sila sa amin. Kaya gusto kong bumalik.
Could I find it when I go? Think we're only here to stay alive now. Funny we ran out of kids. Now you only make me sick. Think we're only here to
Wow, mga naka-uniform. Kinakabahan ako eh. Parang walang tao. Wala yung contact person natin eh. Double trabaho tayo. Sorry guys. Since walang tao dito,
Time and I should go.
Mapanood
So
po
I
kami
take
ng
what I
mga
can and I toss it in.
Mapanood po kami ng food tapos
Down this way I can't stay. 'Cause I know that all
tara mag-house-house rin tayo. Kamusta? Anong grade ka na? Pares pala tayo. Inaanap ko yung mga naging friends ko dito.
Sinda Miguel, Sinda Kevin.
Yung ani. Try na po. Pero may kakanon. May kakanan. Duman. May pagkakanduman, tita. May pagkakanduman. Duman ka na lang. Anyari sa ito. Good luck, Vin. Tao po. Ay, hello po. Si Gabi po. Duman sa may harani sa may chapel. Mag-ano ko ng mga school supplies. Ganito pala pa nag-house to house, no? Hinahanap ta ka, Gab. Ay, thank you so much. Wala na sin Dabien.
Extra workout, bro.
Iniimbitahan po kamo na magduman po sa Atubangan Can Chapel. Mapanaw po kami ng libreng pakakan asin libreng school. Maray na hapon po ulit sa Satuyang Gabos. Inot na inot po ang samuyang pasasalamat sa mga homeless kan Sitio Compradilla sa Pag-Ikti.
Wala bang kakanta dyan? Birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Ayan, maraming napon sa Indong Gabos. Ini, simpleng handaan man lang na tigpare-parami. Kaya sana gabos kita magarugmahan. Igawa kami ding mga school supplies na magagamit nindo. Lalo na ta harani na ang klasihan. Ayan. Okay, thank you so much. Hindi na masupog. Thank you. Ayan. Sige. Sige. Ayan, salamat. Sige. Ay, thank you so much. Ay, thank you so much. Si Kuya. Hindi na.
Hindi nakamatrog dapat.
At syempre, di mawawara ang pagkakan para sa Tuyang Gabos. Nakakataba ding puso na makatabang na mahiling ka mong maugma sa mga pinapanahon ni. Dahil manggayong dakula, magayon lang sa pagmati na na-appreciate nindo.
Thank you, Lola. Tsaka ang dami naghahanap ng sticker natin.
Kadokot nindo. Doko ko eh. Thank you so much. Sige lang. Thank you so much.
Kaya buti na lang nakapagpagawa tayo.
Grabe, nakaka-enjoy pala, no? Unfortunately lang talaga, kaunti lang talaga yung nabili namin. Kumbaga hindi siya sapat para doon. Don't worry, next time babawi ako. Tapos na tayo sa Capradia and right now, we're here na sa bagong sirang. Dito tayo sa may covered court nila. Basta. Naka-follow sila! Oh! Tingin nga, tingin nga. Ay, wow! Thank you! Bigyan ng sticker yan. Asan yung sticker natin? Whew. I hope na magkasya to sa iba. Pero ito naman simula ng pagpanaon ng mga school supplies. Sa syempre, day mawawara ang kakanon. Wala na! Doon ako matro-trupo. Ay, thank you! Salamat ha! Thank you, thank you! Salamat! Ayan, sige, go lang! Salamat! Thank you so much! Sticker lang, pag nakapollow. Okay lang? 1, 2, 3! Eto. Thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Thank you, kuya! Kamusta? Salamat! Hello! Ay, tita, thank you so much po, Enjoy po kayo! Chicken gulay yan. Maraming salamat sa Indong Gabos, maman ko, sa ko yung birthday mo yan. Thank you so much! Ba't may dukat tindo? Naka-follow. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you so much, Thank you. Hi kayo.
Vlog takeover. A small surprise para kay sa tropa nating si Paring Jibril. So ito na yung birthday cake na wala. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Close your eyes muna. Make a wish. Close
Okay.
your eyes.
Oy, thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay. Wow! What's that? Your gift. Thank you so much, Isaiah. He got me a fan.
Happy birthday, Jibril!
Thank you so much. For the past years, birthdays were always about me receiving blessings. But I wanted to do something different. And I'm grateful to everyone who welcomed us. Also to my friends who always believed in me and supporting me sa mga plano ko. And most importantly, I thank God. Especially sa mga moment na ganito. Medyo kinakabahan na nga ako. May pupunta naman dito ata.
Oh, yan. Boy.
Okay.
Nag-announce ka.
Hindi pa.
Oh, you're just gonna surprise them?
Yeah, parang ganun rin eh. Walang announce. Kinakabahan ako. Thank you so much, bro. Dahil may mga oras talaga na hindi ko naiiwasan yung hiya. Pero at least, di ba, natuloy rin natin yung plano. At maganda rin yung naging resulta. And the best way to celebrate God's blessings is by sharing them with others. Di man siya gaano kalaki, karami, but it's simply my way of saying thank you. And if there's one thing that I can promise you, is you won't regret supporting me from the beginning. Kaibanan ko ang mga taga-Bagong Siram, kaibanan ko ang mga taga-Cofradia, and let's be the reason,
Change happens!
change happens! Let's be the reason, change happens.